Hello students, welcome back. Let's continue with exercise 10C, 7th problem. The first term of an AP is 5. A is equal to 5. The last term is 45. L is equal to 45. And the sum of its terms is 1000. S is equal to 1000. Find the number of terms and the common difference of the AP. Find the number of terms. N is equal to what? And the common difference. D is equal to what? Now S is equal to N upon 2 into A plus L. S is equal to 1000. N we have to find. A 5. L is equal to 45. This is 50. 50 upon 2 is equal to 25. N into 25 is equal to 1000. N is equal to 1000 divided by 25 is equal to 40. Number of terms is equal to 40. Now we have to find the difference. L is equal to A plus N minus 1 D. L is equal to what? 45. A is equal to 5. N minus 1 D. N is equal to 40. So 39 D. 45 minus 5 is equal to 40. 40 is equal to 39 D. D is equal to 40 upon 39. So number of terms is equal to 40 and the common difference is equal to 40 upon 39. 8th problem. Find the sum of all natural numbers between 250 and 1000 which are divisible by 9. 9 2s are 18. 7 remains. If 2 was there, then we would have got 9 8s are 72. So the number which is divisible by 9 after 250 is equal to 252. And the number which is divisible by 9 before 1000 is equal to 999. So A is equal to 252 and L is equal to 999. A is equal to 252, L is equal to 999. So what can we do now? L is equal to A plus N minus 1 D. L is equal to what? 999. A is equal to 252. N minus 1 D. D is equal to 9. 9N minus 9. 252 minus 9 is equal to what? 243. 999 minus 243. 756. So 756 is equal to 9N. Therefore N is equal to 756 divided by 9. So N is equal to 84. Now S is equal to what? Sum is equal to N upon 2 into A plus L. N is equal to 84. 84 upon 2 into A is equal to what? 252. 252 plus 999. 252 plus 999. 1251. So N is equal to 84. 84 divided by 2 is equal to 42. 42 into 1251. This is equal to 52542. 9th problem. The first and the last terms of an AP are 34 and 700 respectively. First term is equal to 34 and last term is equal to 700. If the common difference is 18, how many terms are there and what is their sum? N is equal to what and sum is equal to what? L is equal to A plus N minus 1 D. L is equal to 700 A is equal to 34, n minus 1, D is equal to 18. 700 is equal to 34 plus 18n minus 18. 34 minus 18, 16. 700 minus 16, 684. So n is equal to 684 divided by 18 is equal to what? Is equal to 38. N is equal to 38. Now let us find the sum. N is equal to 38. Sum is equal to what? N upon 2 into A plus L. 38 upon 2 into A is 34, L is 700. So this is 19 into 734. This is equal to what? 13946. 10th problem. In an AP, the first term is 25. A is equal to 25. And nth term is minus 17. Nth term is equal to minus 17. And the sum of n terms is equal to 132. Sum of n terms is equal to 132. Find n and the common difference. N is equal to what and D is equal to what? This is the last term. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 D. This is minus 17 is equal to A is 25 plus n minus 1 into D. We have to find n and D. Sn is equal to n upon 2 into A plus L. Sn is equal to sum of the terms is equal to 132 is equal to number of terms upon 2 into A is 25 and last term is minus 17. 25 minus 17 is equal to 8. 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. 4n is equal to 132. So n is equal to 132 divided by 4. 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. N is equal to 33. So n is equal to what? 33. 33 minus 1 is equal to 32. 32D. 25 comes to the left and becomes minus 25. Minus 25 minus 17. 42. Minus 42 is equal to 32D. So D is equal to minus 42 upon 32. Minus 42 upon 32. This is equal to what? 2 21s are, 2 16s are. D is equal to minus 21 upon 16. N is equal to 33. Common difference is equal to minus 21 upon 16. If the 8th term of an AP is 37 and the 15th term is 15 more than 12th term. 15 more than 12th term. Find the AP. So this is equal to what? T8 is equal to A plus n minus 1D. 7D is equal to 37. This is A plus 14D is equal to A plus 11D plus 15. A goes off. 14D minus 11D is equal to 3D is equal to 15. D is equal to 5. D is equal to 5. So A plus 7 into 5 is equal to 35 is equal to 37. A is equal to 37 minus 35 is equal to 2. D is equal to 5 and A is equal to 2. So the AP is 2, 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 5, 17 and so on. Also find the sum of first 20 terms of this AP. N is equal to 20. A is equal to 2, D is equal to 5. So sum of 20 terms is equal to what? N upon 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 D. N is equal to 20, 20 upon 2 is equal to 10, 2 into 2, 4 plus 20 minus 1 is 19, 19 into D is 5. So 19 into 5 is equal to 95. This is 99. 99 into 10 is equal to 990. So sum of first 20 terms is equal to 990. 12th problem. Find the sum of all multiples of 7 lying between 300 and 700. 300 divided by 7. 7 4s are 28. 2 remains. If it was 1 here, then we would have taken 1 and we would have written 7 3s are 21. So the number divisible by 7 after 300 is 301. 700 is divisible by 7. The preceding number which is divisible by 7 is equal to what? 700 minus 7, that is 693. So A is equal to 301, L is equal to 693. A is equal to 301, L is equal to 693. You have to find the sum of all these numbers. Let us find what is the number of terms. L is equal to A plus N minus 1 D. 693 is equal to A is 301 plus N minus 1 into difference is equal to what? The next number is 308, which is divisible by 7. So the difference is equal to 7. Since these are the multiples of 7, the difference between the consecutive numbers is equal to 7. This is equal to 301 plus 7n minus 7. 693 plus 7 is equal to 700. 700 minus 301 is equal to 7n. 700 minus 301. 399. 7n is equal to 399. Therefore n is equal to 399 divided by 7. 57. N is equal to 57. Now let us find what is the sum. Sum is equal to n upon 2 into A plus L. 57 upon 2 into A is equal to 301. L is equal to 693. This is equal to 9 and 4. 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 18, 2 7s are 14. 57 into 497. 28329. Sum is equal to 20,329. The sum of n natural numbers. N natural numbers is 5n square plus 4n. Find its 8th term, T8. S1 is equal to what? S1 is equal to 5 1 square. 4 into 1 is equal to 9. So this is the first term. S2 is equal to 5 into 2 square. 5 into 4 plus 4 into 2, 8. 20 plus 8 is equal to 28. Now, if T1 is the first term, T2 is the second term, then S1 is T1, then S2 is equal to what? T1 plus T2. So T1 plus T2 is equal to S2, 28. So T1 is equal to 9. 9 plus T2 is equal to 28. T2 is equal to 28 minus 9. So T2 is equal to 28 minus 9 is equal to 19. T1 is equal to 9 and T2 is equal to 19. T1, T2 is equal to 9, T2 is equal to 19. So what is the difference? A is equal to 9 and D is equal to 19 minus 9, that is 10. So T8 is equal to A plus n minus 1 D. A is equal to 9 plus n minus 1 is 8 minus 1, 7. D is equal to 10. 7 into 10 is equal to 70. 70 plus 9 is equal to 79. Eighth term is equal to 79. 14th problem. The fourth term of an AP is 11 and the eighth term exceeds twice the fourth term by 5. Find the AP and the sum of first 50 terms. AP and sum of first 50 terms. T4 is equal to 11 means what? T4 is A plus n minus 1. 3D is equal to 11. This is T8. A plus 7D minus 2 into T4 is A plus 3D is equal to 5. A plus 7D minus 2A minus 6D is equal to 5. A minus 2A is equal to minus A. 7D minus 6D is equal to plus D is equal to 5. Minus A plus D is equal to 5. Minus A plus D is equal to 5. A minus A goes off. 3D plus D is equal to 4D. 11 plus 5 is equal to 16. So D is equal to 16 divided by 4, that is 4. Minus A plus D is equal to 5. D is equal to 4. Minus A plus 4 is equal to 5. So minus A is equal to 5 minus 4, that is 1. So A is equal to minus 1. Minus A is equal to 1, therefore A is equal to minus 1. D is equal to 4 and A is equal to minus 1. A is equal to minus 1, D is equal to 4. What is AP? The required AP is equal to minus 1. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. We have to add this D to the first term. When we add this, 4 plus minus 1 is equal to plus 3. Next is 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. 4 plus 7 is equal to 11 and so on. Next we have to find the sum of first 50 terms is equal to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 d. N is equal to 50. 50 upon 2 is equal to 25. 2 into a is minus 1. So 2 into minus 1 is equal to minus 2. Plus n minus 1 is 49. 50 minus 1. 49 into d is 4. 49 into 4. 25 into minus 2 plus 196. 196 minus 2 is equal to 194. 194 into 25. 4850. Sum of first 50 terms is equal to 4850.